I'm in Webull, so click on menu settings, go to account management, apply for new accounts. You see here, I applied for a Roth IRA. So you want to click option cash management. So select these and you read all the instructions, confirm, click on next. You want level 2, so you could do some option. Here I put extensive, and I got about 3 years of trading. So if they look good, you have high risk tolerance, and you want to select your option profile. Right here, you want to sign your name and submit. That's what I did, and that's how you get a new Roth IRA. So you should get an email by Webull. It should look like this. It says congratulations. Here in Robinhood, it's a lot simpler. And if you click on the bottom middle button, you would take you here and select the Roth IRA like I did here. I didn't want to do a Roth because it would save me on taxes if I invest or trade. And you want to view the terms and policy, and a lot of time I just scroll down, and once you review all the terms, you agree to whatever they ask you for. So that's it for Robinhood. It's a lot simpler in Robinhood, and you see there's a congrats, you open your IRA. So you know how to check out a portfolio. Here in Moomoo, you go to the bottom right and you select me. And what they did was talk to customer service. And I don't like the fact that they don't have an 800 number. It's all online. So in here, you want to ask them how you open an IRA or a joint account. And surprisingly, you can't do it in Moomoo. So there you have it, and check out this next video.